This latest move by the NSE is going to flip the game for SME IPO investors because this is going to directly impact the listing gains of many investors. NSE has imposed a whopping 90% price control cap on SME IPOs during pre-open sessions amid fraud concerns. This has been done to standardize the opening price discovery equilibrium price across exchanges during special pre-open sessions for the SME IPOs on NSE Emerge. An overall capping of up to 90% over the issue price has been set. This simply means listing gains will be capped as well. There were concerns about how SME IPOs are giving multi-bagger returns on listing day itself. Recently, Shivalik Power was listed with a premium of 211%. Such listings have become common where finfluencers openly recommend investors to punt basis the grey market premium. This will be effective immediately and applies only to SME IPOs, not mainboard IPOs, relisted securities or public debt. An analysis of SME IPOs in the first 6 months of 2024 by ET Markets shows that 43 out of 110 issues have at least doubled investor wealth from their offer price, with returns going up to 1500%. The astronomically high returns, and that too in a span of few weeks, have made retail investors form a beeline to apply for SME IPOs. The rally has been so sharp that the BSE SME IPO index has crossed 1 lakh mark after rallying over 270% in just 1 year. SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Bhuj had recently warned of manipulation in the SME space. While stating that some issuers and bankers were misusing the framework provided for SME listing, she said the regulator is collecting evidence following complaints of price manipulation in the segment. Recently, the regulator barred 3 SME companies from capital markets on charges of misusing funds raised via public offers. Well, that is all for today. Stay tuned to ET Markets for more.